Hey guys, welcome to Think Diecast. Today we are bringing 124 scale car. This I have got it from Amazon.in. I really like this model because it's got muscle, big tires. It's got that raw feel to it. I'm going to show you this model. It's a Ford Raptor, 6 wheels. It's a Chinese brand. If you see, it has got suspension on all the tires, and you can see a mini bike which is there. So let's open this and I will show you the details on this. Check this out. It's got a mini bike, black matte finish with lights, suspension on all the wheels, openable doors. There are the front two doors gets open, and the backs too. All the doors open. With openable hood. This is a small mini bike which they have given, which can be placed at the back. Beautiful detailing on this. It also has light and sound features.